Yes, now I would like to demonstrate about this because here we're gonna hear what we call the inherent pattern, and we're gonna be playing what we call duple division and triple division. What I mean about duple division, I mean when people are playing, they play like this. That is a duple division. Now, if we go to the triplets, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's triplets and duple division. Now, you've got low octave, middle octave, and higher octave. Now, when you play this instrument, I'm using the pentatonic. As you can see, it's from 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. High, middle, and low octaves. So what happens is that if one is playing this side and I'm playing this side, if you look at the hands, they don't go together at the same time because one plays this one. So now it's two parts that you've got to mix together. Usually it played by two persons, but now you can also play alone. So that is a demonstration of the inherent pattern. If maybe one of you would like to come, I'll show you just a very simple thing. This side, you play 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1. Again. Last time. So that is the first half. There's the first half and the second half. The second half. 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 1. 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 1. Okay. Beautiful. Last time, Roxy. Now, Sissy, we are going to put the two parts together. I'm going to start that and then you follow me. Ne? Beautiful, beautiful, Roxy. If you were listening, the part that I was singing, we were not playing. It comes when the two parts start playing together. Then that comes out. You know, that we call that the inherent pattern. If I had 9 or 10 string, I would tune easily to a diatonic. But now, because I've got only 7 notes, so I tune it in pentatonic. Because 5 notes, as you know, that is pentatonic, and then I've got an extra one. So if I shift from this one to this one, yes. Now, Akadinda. Akadinda now. That's the scale of the Akadinda. Amadinda is almost the same, but the playing is totally different. So if I had 9 or 10 strings, then I would tune this one in diatonic. Usually these, we tune them in diatonic, especially if they've got from 9 string upwards, we tune them diatonic. And then if they are 7 or 6 or 5, then we tune them pentatonic.